downtown Colorado. Fort Collins. You gotta be fucking batshit crazy to invest $1 million in Bitcoin.
Oh. Smart.
Fort Collins and fucking beautiful. Oh shit.
We got a couple pretzels for later. Good, right?
Yeah, definitely. The fireworks gun.
We got to get all the way back. We still got to go down the alley and then turn and go all the way back. Cool town, huh?
Yeah. Seriously is.
Oh look, it's dead. It's a Monday night. And
Seriously, you think there'd be people here? Fuck.
it's right after the holidays too, though, you know. Summertime, there's flowers hanging from here.
That's
Colorful
sick.
flowers.
Yeah. This is dope.
Yeah, colorful flowers.
It's cool how they paint these.
The restaurants will be open. What time is it? Yeah, it's only 6:30, huh? No, 7:30. I can't see.
She knows.
They're not open. It's closed.
She's like, let me in.
They're closed, Belle. Your back leg's not doing good today, Bella. Let's get you home. Come on, they're closed. I know. I know. They shouldn't be allowed to close, I know.
This Steelers offense, they needed a first down. Their defense looked gassed coming off the field after that long drive by the Texans. They got a game winner. He's got a long way to go, and he survived that hit. As To'o brought him down with that big hit, a gain of 11. It's
See that tower building right there?
Yeah.
That's